parking, no parking. Wonder why they need no parking signs there. Christ Mertz Lutheran. I wonder who Mertz was. Maybe a joint venture partner. Christ Mertz. Christ Mertz, attorneys at law. Okay, coming up to Mertztown Road. Mertztown, alright. There's some horse shit on the side of the road. So we know that we're sharing the road with horses. East Penn Avenue. And a handsome church with a weird brick thing going on. And there we go. The source of the horse shit is right in front of us. We're gonna gently slip on by. So turn right and up and keep left. Okay, so I want to go this way. Go around Grimm's Trailers and into the woods. Kind of nice. I took off the dark sunglasses and put on the rose-colored twilight glasses. And this is exactly why, because you get back in the woods and those regular glasses too dark to see now. And this says stay on this road for 9.9 miles. It's called Mine Road. This is not a fast road. It's in good shape, but the visibility sucks. And it's got houses and shit and side streets, so you can go fast for about 30 yards and then you gotta go slow again. And Sally Ann. There was a monument to Sally Ann. This is the Sally Ann Furnace Road. And what a great road, man. I've been on this recently. There's a couple other routes that go down Sally Ann Furnace Road. And it's like, you can see why I would have picked it. Stop.